Alright guys, welcome back to Nico Brothers. So today we're actually working on a 2008 Subaru WRX. Check it out, this thing's not that bad. I think we got a great deal. I don't know, it's not that bad. I mean, it definitely got some hit to it.
I mean, the price was good, Michael, so...
The price was right. You know, the price was right, that's why we got it.
And we haven't had a Subaru in like a long time.
Yeah, I had like a red one back in the day, maybe like 8 years ago. A bad experience, you know, but hey, that's in the past. We're moving forward, so it's not a problem.
Well, let's check this one out. Let's see what kind of damage does it have.
Definitely front end damage. It's gonna have a Salvage title. I know people are like, oh, Salvage. But think about it this way, we're restoring it. We're gonna get this beautiful thing back on the road. You know, it would have been probably in the junkyard, scrapped apart, never seen the road again, but hey, we're like saving it. So, Salvage, whatever, we're still gonna make it right. Not that bad damage.
Why is it on blocks though?
You know, it's probably got some suspension damage, so it'll be really hard to pick it up with a forklift, so that way, you know, later when we get inside the shop, it'll be a little easier to pick up.
Is it just this side, or?
Let's go check it out. Let's see what's going on. So we definitely see some front end, fender, hood. Radiators are probably bad. Oh, look at that.
Wow, it looks completely stock too.
Hey, intercooler, still turbo. It's nice. I hope it runs. Looks like the engine's okay, so that's good.
But check out this suspension damage. It looks like the tire is bad, and it's pushed back, so probably control arm, strut.
Yeah, a whole knee assembly. Definitely got to replace everything there.
But look at this side. It looks like it even came off. Looks like the rim busted. So probably all the same issues, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, so we definitely got front end, both suspension. But let's keep looking around and see what else we got.
I mean, do you think the airbag's blew?
Most likely. Looks like we got a little bit going on here.
A little damage there. I mean, it is an 09, so not too bad. The rest of the body looks pretty good.
Let's see what we do with it. Wow, look at that. Airbag.
No airbag damage.
Shift knob stolen. It's a very common problem that we have at Copart. Not Copart, you know, I'm just saying. Shift knobs go stolen. Look at that. Oh yeah, we're gonna be dailying this thing in no time. It's not bad. These seats are really nice, really hug me. It's not bad. I mean,
it is a WRX, Michael. It's kind of cool.
Yeah.
It's just crazy. No airbags were deployed.
Yeah, it definitely took a hit, so I'm kind of surprised it missed all the sensors. But hey, whatever, better for us, honestly. Less stuff to replace.
But let's see if we get this thing started.
Yeah, I mean, let's see if it cranks over.
Let's check the oil, because these are known to eat oil bad.
Yeah.
So let's check the oil and try to start it.
All right.
Start the same
There we go.
Okay.
Not bad. Took a little bit, but it cranked over. I mean, I don't even have a check engine light. What? It's crazy. Low tire pressure. Yeah, I'm getting that warning. My airbag light is on, so probably my seatbelt's locked up.
Well, I don't know. We'll have to scan it then.
I don't know. Yeah, see what blew, but.
All right, you should probably turn it off, because I don't know if there's coolant in there.
Yeah, but at least we know it spins over. That's good. Always a good sign. Nice. All right, let's get inside, see what the damage is.
Okay, so here we have it. We finally got inside the garage, and with the forklift, it makes it much easier than pushing it around, especially with a lot of suspension damage. But we got it on some jack stands, and we're ready to start working on it. So the first step would have to be, let's take this thing apart to see what hidden damages we can find, or no more damages. So I mean, it looks like the radiator support's busted on this. The frame looks good, so it looks like maybe we won't even need to use the frame machine. So that's gonna be pretty nice if we can do that. We can do everything inside this garage. But the first step, let's take apart everything we can, like this fender, take the wheels off, take the hood off, and see the damage.
guys, so we're taking things apart. I mean, I didn't know it came with a 2-piece rim. This is crazy. Look at that, you know, that's one of a kind, unique, but hey, that's cool.
So we definitely need to set of wheels now.
Yeah, 100%. That's crazy how this side was worse for the rim, but at the same time, the impact really was on that side, so I don't know if you hit a curb or something, I don't know what's going on, but overall it's not horrible.
I mean, definitely looks like the lower control arm's bad and the strut.
The strut, lower control arm, yep, definitely got to replace that, but it's not bad.
Let's check out the other side?
Yeah. I was able to pry the battery out, just push this back a little bit. It's pretty easy to move, so it's not bad. Overall, the frame rails do look pretty good. Definitely need the radiator support. That's gone. Looks like it hit our radiator a little bit, but
well, we'll still try to pull the radiator out and condenser, see if there's pressure in there.
But
what about the suspension?
This side as well, you can see that strut right there. Look at that bend. So
it's supposed to be straight, right?
Pretty sure it's supposed to be straight, yeah.
Unless we're going for the camber game, you know.
We're really cambered.
But that's definitely stuff we can order. But what's going on with all this rust? Or is that just battery acid?
Probably battery acid, yeah. That battery took a hit for sure.
Ooh. Well, at least it's an original Subaru battery.
Oh yeah. But let's keep going. Try to get those radiators out. So it looks like my radiator was still good. Surprisingly, it looks like it's all bent up, but there's still radiator fluid in it. That's crazy. So there's not even a fracture or a pinhole anywhere in it, even though it's bent out of shape. So before I go ahead and take apart the AC condenser, I'm gonna try to vacuum out any Freon left. I don't want it spilling in the air or anything like that. It looks like it's messed up already, but it could be good. So let's go ahead and hook up the machine, take out anything we can.
Alright guys, so just like that, we got the radiator, condenser, fans, all that came out, and unfortunately they were all bent up, and I don't think, bending them back, it's going to be nice. It might leak in the future, so we're going to have to replace that. Also, the radiator support definitely needs to be replaced, but the frame rails, they're looking good. They're looking straight, and the good thing about this is hopefully we don't have to put on the frame machine. So the next step is let's try to get this front rebar off, and then we're going to drill out the spot welds with our nice little tool. This thing is very nice. So let's get straight to work.
for it. Not too bad. There's definitely a lot of spot welds in the front and the back right there, but hey, out with the old, in with the new. All right, so now that we're really taking it apart, we can assess the damage and see what's really going on. And honestly, it's not that bad. I'm really happy the engine doesn't seem to be touched. All our covers are there, our belts are fine, so the main things are okay. There's a couple parts that we do need to order, windshield washer fluid, you know, AC, radiator, some stuff we knew, but now we can start ordering parts and keep going forward. There's some stuff we could fix, repair, definitely gonna beat this down a little bit. Looks like it came up a little bit, but nothing we can't handle. We can definitely work with that. It's not a problem. Once we get the radiator support in, then we can see what's going on. So,
and we don't need the frame machine.
Yeah, definitely. This is everything you can do by yourself in a garage, just a little bit of time, patience. So now that we know what's going on up front, let's talk about all the other options that we have. We definitely need some rims, so let us know what kind of rims we should get, some factory wheels, some aftermarket ones. For some reason you guys don't like our rims choices that we've been doing for the Mustang, the other stuff, but
I think it was more my choice since I've been picking.
But we'll see what's gonna go on, see what kind of deals we get locally. And also, since there's a couple scratches here and there all around the car, we might just repaint the whole thing. Should we keep it pearl white? Should we change the color? Leave in comments below, and we'll see what you guys say, and maybe something pops up that we really like. Hey, we'll go for it. I mean, we've got our golf cart in gold. Imagine a WRX gold.
Maybe we should get some gold wheels for it.
I think gold wheels will look definitely good for that, but we'll see about the colors. Let us know what you think. Well, we should keep it factory, change it since we're going around anyway.
I mean, what kind of, we need suspension too. Should we go with coilovers? Should we go with lowering springs, shocks?
Yeah.
I mean, we want it to ride good.
That's true.
You know, and it's still a budget build. We don't want to go too much. Because at the end of the day, it's still a 2009 WRX. And
yeah, you put more money into it, you get the money back out, but
there's still little add-ons we can do too. I mean, there's, you know, the complete stock. We can get a, you know, exhaust,
intercooler, exhaust,
a blow-off valve,
yeah, all that good stuff.
A tuner.
That would be nice.
Just let us know what we should do.
Yeah, I mean, we haven't worked too much on Subarus, but, you know, just like anything else. But it's pretty crazy how Copart said it was a run and drive. I mean, you guys seen that suspension damage. You've seen that rim was in 2 pieces. The engine started, but I don't know how it's a run and drive. Like, some people think they could buy a run and drive and drive it home from Copart, or, you know, just get it unloaded, no problem from the trailer. So be careful. Just because it says run and drive, it doesn't always mean you could just drive it home or something like that. Definitely.
I don't even think it moved.
Yeah, the wheel was literally inside the fender, so that's pretty crazy, but it is what it is. But all right, guys, don't forget about our merch store. We definitely got some cool stuff on there for you. We really appreciate the support. Couldn't do it without you guys. You know, we love all the comments, all the reviews, all the likes. So make sure you check out our new merch store that we have going on. You got that notification bell turned on, and make sure to subscribe. There's a lot of viewers that are watching that are not subscribed. Please, guys, it really helps us out. Continue doing these builds, doing these videos if you subscribe. But thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Till next time.